Hi, I'm Geoff. Welcome back to xHanky Lifestyle TV. Today, we're making a Kiwi summer favourite, beetroot and roast sweet potato salad. So let's start with a couple of large beetroot. I just grabbed these from the garden this morning. So remove the top and the bottom of the beetroot like so. And then we peel them. Once you've got those peeled, just chop each of the beetroot in half. And then I like to make a bit of a bed for the salad. So how I do that is I'll take one half of one of the beetroot and then just grate that up. Get the grated beetroot into the base of the baking dish. Once you've done that, dice up the rest of the beetroot and get that into the dish as well. Now let's get on to the kumara. Kumara we call it in New Zealand, but you might call it a sweet potato where you are. So peel that, dice it, and get that into the baking dish along with the beetroot. Okay, now I'm just going to season it a little bit, so drizzle first with olive oil and then season it with a little bit of garlic powder. And of course some salt and some pepper as well. Once you've done that, give it a good old mix. And to do this, the best way I find is to get in there with your hands. You're going to get your hands a little bit pink coloured from the beetroot, but it's all good fun. So give that a good mix like so. And then let's get that into the oven on around 180 degrees for probably 30 minutes or so, or until it's basically roasted and started to soften. Now let's prep the rest of it while that's in the oven. So we'll prep some grated cheese, which you see I've done there, and now I'm just dicing a red onion. So once you've got the onion diced and the cheese ready to go, you're basically ready and you're waiting on the roasted garlic and kumara and beetroot and kumara to come out of the oven. Okay, once the sweet potato and the beetroot are all roasted, get them out of the oven, and especially while they're still warm, add them into a large salad bowl like so, and then stir in the red onion and mix it really well. Once you've done that, stir in the grated cheese and mix that as well. The cheese will start to melt just a little bit due to the heat of the baked vegetables. Once you've mixed it thoroughly, then what I like to do is just cover it and allow it to cool. And there you have it, Geoff's take on roasted beetroot and sweet potato salad. This one will be a family favourite, and it can be eaten hot or cold, and if you prefer a creamier flavour, you can add in a little bit of mayo before serving. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you try and enjoy this recipe. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. Like the video if you enjoyed it as well. And please subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to see more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching!